Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are checking out a Kickstarter that I believe was fully funded, so exciting. This is the Star of Inanna Tarot by Rubi do Trinh. Hopefully I'm saying these names correctly, I do apologize if I am not. And Jan Lago. Like I said, Kickstarter independent, this is really cool. I'll link everything down below where you could check this out, purchase should you want to, etc. So it says, being inspired by the mythologies of the Sumerian goddess of love, war, and fertility, the Star of Inanna Tarot offers itself as a reflection space for you to deepen your connection with yourself through understanding your shadows, power, and ultimately your love within and without. From the great above, the goddess opened her ear to the great below. Her journey and the meaning of each card are meticulously told by Jan Lago. Keeping the style of Mesopotamian reliefs in mind, Rubi do Trinh created each card with pen and ink to be colored digitally. So it includes a 22 full color hand illustrated major arcana cards and a 108-page guidebook. Now, I do not have the guidebook, but that's what it will come with. All right, the packaging is really cool. I like the colors. With your strength, my lady, teeth can crush flint. The Exaltation of Inanna by Enheduanna. Okay, here we go. There's the back. That's really cool. Ooh, it has like a velvet kind of feel to it. I like it. Very flexible. It's on like the more medium side cardstock. Ooh, and it's a nice size. So if you have smaller hands, that's going to be a nice size for you to work with. And we have a blue, baby blue edge. Here we go, the seed. I like the art. Oh, I'm covering her up. The Magician. The High Priestess. I really like the art style. It's pretty. The Empress. The Emperor. Wisdom. Union. Boat of Heaven. Justice. The Hermit. Oh, that's an interesting depiction. Focus. There we go. The Wheel. Strength. Sacrifice. Death. Oh. Ouch. The Alchemist. Oh, I love. The Shadows. The Catalyst. Oh, the Star. Look at that. Gorgeous. The Moon. The Sun. Awakening. Wow. The Universe. The Descent. Oh. And Divine Love. Oh. That's gorgeous. All right, let's shuffle. Not bad. Yeah, it feels really good. I'm not having an issue struggling with it because sometimes it's hard with you when you have a smaller deck. It's like, oh, it takes forever to shuffle, or it's really hard to do overhand like that. Not having an issue, and you can also spread them out if you like to do the spread that way and pick a card. Awakening. Oh, that's just so cool. So pretty. So the booklet will shine light on the meanings, symbols, and cuneiform title used in each card, along with the mythological context that conveys the messages. Her and many epithets from millennia past might surprise you with how relatable, real, and down-to-earth people's lives were back then in comparison to our 21st century AI-fueled civilization. Anger, joy, sadness, desire, and every single note of emotion were experienced during the long quest of the goddess, who started out not knowing where her place is on Earth, all the way to when she became the most powerful figure during her prime in ancient Mesopotamia, much like the Fool's Journey in the traditional tarot. So I'm reading this from their Kickstarter page, and it does look like the guidebook will have plenty of explanation for you. In this way, the deck is not only a tool of divination, meditation, or psycho-spiritual development, but also a way to immerse in her stories, feel and learn from them. How can we apply this descent journey to our own lives? Have you ever had what we call a, quote, dark night of the soul? The Descent is her best known adventure, yet there are many more to explore, connect with, and recognize your own image in her footsteps. So yeah, very, very cool. I really like the fact that you're getting, a lot of meaning in it with the mythology. And I like the art style. I think it's really cool, really neat, dynamic without being overwhelming. I would love to learn more about Inanna. She has been coming up a lot in different decks that I have with the goddesses. So that's really cool that this is, her storyline. So that's really neat to see. Fantastically done. The quality of this card stock is phenomenal. Like, it feels really, really good in the hands. I don't mind the shuffling at all, and I love the added detail of that blue there. So check them out. I am really excited to see what you guys think about this deck, because it is really cool. I really like the concept. Are you guys somebody who is familiar with Inanna and her story? Have you followed it? Let me know down below in the comment section what you think about this deck. I'd be so excited to hear. Thank you so much to the creators of the Star of Inanna Tarot for sending it our way. I am so excited to get to know it a little bit better and more personally. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on the way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.